Hello, I'm Jose with SSA Architecture, small studio associates, licensed architects in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the surrounding area including California and Arizona. We are often hired to collect site information for the development of a project. This might include developing a site plan, a topography map, or a grading plan, and we might even need to analyze large-scale maps to understand utility placement, water runoff, and surrounding conditions of importance to our site. There are online tools that can help us obtain a lot of information about a site prior to getting a surveyor or a civil engineer involved. In this first video, I will show you a few basic tools we use to begin our site analysis process. The first thing we do when a client wants us to design their building is we ask for an address and a parcel number. We use this parcel number to find aerial images of the site. Many jurisdictions have online geographic information systems, or GIS, that operate similar to Google Maps, able to show you aerial images. For projects in the Las Vegas area, we are mainly using the Gizmo Open website. This website has tools that can bring up measurements of the parcel, zoning classifications, street information, flood zones, and other useful information. We may start by exporting an image of our site plan with some of these layers on and importing it into our CAD software. We do the majority of our work on a program called Chief Architect, and for the main focus of this video, I will be showing you how we scale these images on this particular program. After importing the image into Chief Architect, we need to scale it to the correct size. I keep the Assessor's map layers on and the image so that I can scale the image using the parcel dimensions. I start by tracing the line of the largest dimension I can find. Then I compare the size of the line I drew to the line of the aerial image. In this case, my line is 55.38 feet. The actual size should be 399.84 feet. This means the aerial needs to be scaled up until this line matches the actual length of the parcel. To do this, I select the CAD line and the aerial image, then I use the transform/replicate object tool. Chief Architect can change length and sizes if you type in those values, or you can also type in a math problem and it will solve it for you, making the length or size the resulting value. In the resize box, I type in 55.38 feet divided by 399.84 feet and enter. This adjusts the scale to be the correct size. I kept the CAD line to check it after rescaling the image. The CAD line matches the parcel dimension. Lastly, since I can only see the roof lines for this aerial, I need more accurate drawings of the building. In Gizmo, I can open the Assessor's information link and click on the building sketch. This shows me that this apartment complex used 3 different plans for their buildings. I found the one that is most similar and adjusted my walls to match it. These aerial images are not a perfectly accurate size. They always have a little bit of a tilt. This would not be the right method to draw a site plan for contractors' site improvements. Now, if I were working on drawing some existing conditions that do not require very accurate measurements, I could trace the roads, the sidewalk, and the building envelope to get a high-quality plan. Sometimes we do presentation drawings prior to construction drawings. These preliminary drawings do not need to be 100% accurate, and if the client is still unsure whether he or she will construct, then it might be a waste of money to hire a surveyor at this stage. This could be for presenting a concept to planning and zoning, a client, or an investor. For the sake of this video, I did trace the aerial image and made this site plan. Here are some other examples of presentation drawings like this that we have done using this method. That completes my first video explaining how we collect site information without a site surveyor. When I get some time, I will make a part 2 to this video, as there are other methods and tools for collecting site information. If you still have any questions, feel free to call us at 702-873-1718. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for more information about us or to maybe get some answers on our frequently asked questions page. Visit smallstudioassociates.com.